Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Now click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now hit pair in the pop-up. And last but definitely not least, wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this gear next to paired device. Tap on Unpair at the bottom. And to connect to it again, click on it and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!